Hello, kids. How are you? How are you doing? Well, I know everybody's fine, everybody's happy, and I think I know why you're happy. You're happy because what? Summer holidays are they're around the corner. It's around the corner. Oh my goodness. You have holidays around the corner. You're gonna have a blast. Going to the beach, going to the swimming pool, see your friends, summer camp. Oh my goodness, there's so many things you can do. Okay, so I'm glad for you. Well, I'm glad to be here one more day with all of you. Here we have an English tutorial. We're gonna have a great time, okay, and we're gonna have something fun to do. Okay, now I sent you last week PowerPoint about present continuous like hey, love, don't like, Jerome plus verb plus ing. Okay, and today we're going to go through very quick so you can check out and just refresh your mind. Okay, this is very simple. Here we have like, hate, love, don't like plus gerund ing. All right, we're going to use these terms as we did last week. Okay, and now here, for example, we got gerund. We use the base form of the verb plus ing to form gerunds. For example, eat, eating. Remember, we have the three forms of changing the verb just in case it needs. Okay, for example, we got put, P-U-T. If we want to change it to ing, remember there's two consonants and a vowel. We have to repeat the last consonant. For example, putting, P-U-T, T-I-N-G. Putting, because I'll pronounce it. And we have to write it down. Pudding. Okay? So we have the other one. For example, eating. We don't change nothing at all. We leave it the way it is. Eat, we add up ing. Write, writing. Okay? What happens with write? We change the E for I. We erase the E, right? W-R-I-T-E, right? So what do we do? Take off the E and we do writing, the W-I-R-T-I-N-G, writing, okay? And what else we have here? We have the consonants, this one, and I want to tell you something that finishes in Y. Okay, I know I put you some examples. Okay, that when finishing Y, would you change it to ing, e-i-n-g? Okay, in this case, flying, for example, fly, flying. You don't change nothing at all. F-L-Y, ing. Okay, so I want to make that exception. All right. Now look, we often use gerunds after their verbs. Love, like, don't like, and hate. We know that. We went through that. And that's what's all about this lesson. Okay? Like, hate, love, don't like, and gerunds. Here we have some examples. Okay? For example, I like reading books. I know you love reading books. Everybody loves it. Trust me, it transforms you and takes you to another place. Okay? Read. That's the best thing you can do. Okay? She doesn't like helping me. But but why she doesn't like helping me? What am I done wrong? Now she loves helping me. But here I just saying she doesn't like helping me just because I have to say something, alright? I was bored. Okay, look. He loves going to the cinema. And you and me and everybody loves to go to the cinema. A good movie, never say no to a good movie. So now we change the go to going. Remember, go or do doesn't change. All you have to add up is the ing, okay? Do you like traveling? Yes, I do. We love traveling. Everybody loves traveling. Everywhere. The more we learn about places, the better. They hate playing games. No, they don't hate playing games. They love playing games, but they look kind of bored there. It's like, come on, let's play something. So playing games. All right, look, I just add up the ing, and if this one finishes in y, I don't change nothing. just add up ing, okay? There's only some exceptions, okay? All right, look, talking about like and dislikes, we use love and joy, hate, like, don't like to talk about our likes and dislikes. Or you like it, or you're done, or you don't, okay? But we have something in between, okay? Now here, we add up ing to the verb after these words, okay? Look, here on the top, I want to show you this. I got love, enjoy, and like. That's the positive way, okay? That's the best way to tell you the truth, okay? Now here I have hate and don't like. Okay, like and don't like, this is like right in the middle. There's the line right there, positive and negative, okay? So don't like is right here. I'm sorry, like is right here. Don't like is right here. We have uh, love, hate. Did I say it right? Like, don't like, love, hate. Yeah, something like that. Perfect. Okay? So we have the two extremes and something right in the middle. For example, listen, I don't like going swimming, but if I have to, I don't mind. And there's the more extreme. I hate going swimming. I'm not going swimming. That's the difference. Like or love, it's about the same, or almost the same. I like going swimming, you're gonna go swimming. I love swimming, you do it every day, okay? But you love and you like going swimming, okay? That is the positive way, okay? So here, all right, watching videos. We can say we love all together. We love watching videos, and if they're funny videos, okay, I remember those haha shows, okay, you love them, you laugh with me, okay, we all watching, okay, we all love watching funny videos. Here I put the ing after watch. All right. Okay, remember just to say the right way. This is the right way to say I like playing the piano. I like to play the piano. No, because I like play the piano. The only one, the right way is adding up the ing. Okay, the gerund noun. I like playing the piano. Here's the noun. Okay, all right. So here is telling me that I love or I like playing. Adding up the ing. A piano, the piano, okay? This is the right way of saying it. Okay, now I'm going to show you, all right, let me see if I can show you. There we go. This is the worksheet I sent you. Oh, very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me take this off because this is, ooh, what happens here? Hello? There we go, it's gone. Okay, now look, we're going to do read and match. The all verbs plus ing, swinging, bouncing, jumping rope, catching, sliding. Got somebody playing basketball and another one here that's playing with the ball. Here is they're playing with the ball here too, but we see that he's bouncing the ball. So I think that one we got it very clear. So between this one and here, I'm gonna put catching. And look, you can do this at home too, okay? Just if you want, okay? You can do insertar because this is a word, okay? That means you can do exactly what I'm doing if you know how to do it. So that way you don't have to print it. De esta manera no tienes que imprimir, okay? So look, you see what I've done? Insertar, and I go catching, and oops, what happens here? Hold on. Maybe I didn't get it right. Catching. Oh yes, now this is working. So I do this. Catching. There we go. Look, I didn't even have to print it. I can do it like this in Word. Okay. So once you do it in Word, all you have to do is once you finish with all of them, you go to Archivos. Okay. Your mom and dad knows how to do it, but guardar como. You put them in your PC, okay, equipo, I don't know, tareas, well, I have it in tareas, okay, and I'll put my name, remember to put your name on it, okay, because later on I don't know who is it, who is it. All right. So you can put the name here too. Watch here because it's taking too long. All right. It's gonna be easier. Well, guardar, blah blah blah. Nah, I don't want that. Forget about it. All right. This here in in the cabecero, my name Frank Gresso. There we go. You see, that was very simple. Oh, remember second. Oops. Second F. Is that a class? No, but you put your. So you can do that too, okay? All right. So very you, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, kids, love you guys. See you soon, and have a great time. I hope you like my work, okay? See you next weekend. Have a nice weekend. Remember, beautiful weekend with sun, even though it's going to rain a little bit, but we need the water. See you later. Bye.